Across government, the challenge is clear. Software delivery is often slow, fragmented, and costly. Security sits in silos, and teams spend too much time wiring together basic tools instead of delivering secure applications. For contractors and solution providers, every new agency means another lengthy setup, configuring access, meeting compliance checks, and tailoring systems to each environment. It's repetitive, expensive, and delays mission outcomes. The cost of inefficiency is too high. Modernization can't wait. The answer is REI Systems VistaOps, now awardable on the Platform One marketplace. VistaOps is a secure, cloud-native DevSecOps platform that helps agencies build, deploy, and manage applications faster, safer, and at scale. Backed by decades of government digital modernization success, VistaOps replaces a patchwork of tools with one integrated, mission-ready solution. VistaOps launches on day one with 5 powerful capabilities that matter. Single-click provisioning with infrastructure as code so that agencies can set up secure environments in minutes instead of weeks. A Kubernetes native foundation, which means applications scale smoothly and reliably as missions grow and change. Declarative deployment workflows, which ensures every update is consistent, fully traceable, and easy to audit. A security-embedded pipeline that builds in continuous scanning and zero trust controls so systems stay compliant and protected from the start. Multi-cloud support optimized for AWS GovCloud and Azure, which gives agencies the flexibility to run where they need today and expand beyond tomorrow. VistaOps was born out of REI Systems' work supporting complex, large-scale DevSecOps environments, like the DHS USCIS Electronic Immigration System program, where we have demonstrated continuous updates with over 225 production releases yearly. That same speed and scale is now available to every agency. VistaOps accelerates deployments from months to days through automation. Security is built in from the start with IAM, zero trust, and continuous scanning. It runs across multiple clouds, optimized for AWS GovCloud and Azure, and is cost-effective and scalable with flexible pricing. VistaOps is already delivering results at scale. Now it's available to every federal agency through Platform One. Let's accelerate secure government delivery together. Please visit www.reisystems.com/VistaOps for more information or to reach out to schedule a demo.